let's do the interpretation of this price elasticity of demand. Price elasticity of demand at various points on the demand curve is different. So let's see, if we have a downward sloping demand curve, on the x-axis we have elasticity of demand equals to 0, which means that quantities demanded do not change with a change in price. At most, y-axis पे elasticity of demand is infinite, which shows infinite changes in quantity demanded. Quantity demanded will change even though the price is not changing. Elasticity of demand equals to 1, which is also called as unitary elastic demand, which means the proportion of change in quantity demanded is the same as that of the change in price. Between 1 and infinite lies elasticity greater than 1, which is called as elastic demand. And between 0 and 1 lies elasticity less than 1, which is called as inelastic demand. So now let's see the individual demand curves. A demand curve which is a straight line which is parallel to y-axis, which is vertical, we have elasticity of demand equals to 0, which means quantity demanded is not changing at all. Second, a horizontal demand curve or a demand curve parallel to x-axis, which shows quantity demanded keeps on changing but the price is fixed at this level. Price does not change but quantity demanded keeps on changing. A third demand curve when elasticity is equal to 1, which is unitary elastic demand curve, which is downward sloping. Next, elastic demand curves. Elastic demand curves means elasticity greater than 1. Such curves are flatter in shape, which indicate that the changes in quantity demanded, proportionate change of quantity demanded is more than the percentage change of price. And the last, which is a steeper curve, it is not a straight line but a steeper downward sloping curve, which shows percentage change in quantity demanded is less than the percentage change in price. Quantity demanded responds to a very small extent when the price is getting changed. So we get a steeper demand curve and the elasticity less than 1 classified as inelastic demand.